in the flower, the second whorl is called as corolla. In the corolla, the members are known as petals. The petals are in different colors. So they are showing different colors. Here the petals generally they attract the insects to favor the pollination. The corolla main function is to attract the insects to favor the pollination. So the petals are also here fused, sometimes free also. Here petals are fused. So the fused condition is called as gamopetalous. And sometimes the petals are free. The free petals are present in the here. This condition is called as polypetalous condition. So petals are fused, gamopetalous, and if the petals are free, it is called as polypetalous. Gamopetalous is observed in datura plant, and polypetalous condition is observed in hibiscus plant. Here the corolla, it is showing a different type of structures. When the total petals are fused, so different structures are formed. So sometimes they are funnel shaped. So in datura, it is funnel shaped. Sometimes the petals are fused to form a tube-like or tubular structures. Tubular. Tube-like structures. So the tube-like structures are observed. This type of corolla is observed in Tridac's, plant, Tridac's disc florets. So tube-like structures, tube-like here corolla is observed in the Tridac's plant or Helianthus family, Helianthus or sunflower family members. And sometimes here the corolla is it is showing bilipped structure. So bilipped, lip-like structure, two lip-like structures. So here the corolla is showing lip-like structure. So it is a bilipped corolla observed in Asimum sanctum. In Tulsi or Asimum sanctum, a bilipped corolla is observed. And here so many types of here wheel shape and bell-shaped corolla is also observed in different plants. So these are some types of some structures of corolla. So corolla is fused to form the funnel-shaped, tubular-shaped, and bilipped shape. So calyx and corolla, these are the two essential organs, and they are not useful for reproduction. So that's why they are called as non-essential organs.